How to enable two-factor authentication in SendGrid. So first, basically go to the website right here. Then navigate to your profile here on the top right. Then just simply click on it. Then you will see the user settings right there. So just simply click on that. Then wait for the page to load. Now, once it's all loaded up right here, you just simply need to go to the security section here on the left side, then click on it. And as you can see, there should be an option or section where you can change your 2FA verification or the method on how you want to receive your 2FA. So if I click on edit right here, you could pick through a text message or through a voice call. So I've already set up mine, but of course for you, you simply need to pick on whatever you prefer. So if you want a text message, it will send you a text message on your phone, and you will just simply need to input the code. And of course, on a voice call, SendGrid will call you, and you just simply need to verify the code. So just basically follow the prompts that will be given to you based on what method you want to go with. And you could also add an authentication app right here. So this is another way, or this is another option for 2FA. So you could add like a Google Authenticator or something. So if I click on it, as you can see, there's a code that will pop up. So you could download your authenticator app of choice like Authy, Google Authenticator, Okta, and more. So it's basically up to your preference. Then just scan this QR code with your authenticator app and enter the verification code you see within your authenticator app right here on this space. And you should be good to go. And that is how I basically enable two-factor authentication in SendGrid.